I kind of thought that's what was going on because I could tell you were trying to find somebody. All right, bro. What's done to it?
The hero.
Huh?
It's the very slow, okay?
How so?
It's ball slow, dude. It's a piece of shit.
You want to do a burnout real quick?
I can't.
What do you mean?
It's X-Drive.
What? Why?
Because loader life.
Well, all right, that works.
Bitch, say again.
Stop causing problems.
Just punched my mirror. He punched your mirror? He punched my fucking mirror.
Why?
Because Kevin cut him off.
I didn't cut him off.
Almost.
No, I didn't.
Well, the dude had some... I don't know, he's probably arguing with his brother over the same cousin.
He's just pissed he's seeing two BMWs drive fast.
Probably, with minorities. So this dude hits my mirror, and the glass comes out, and I called the cops. I'm like, yo, fuck this. And he's like screaming at me while I'm listening to trap music inside with the windows up. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah, that always happens to me.
And then I just popped the mirror back on after they leave. They're like, there's literally no damage. But we'll
Oh,
just give you a
shit,
ride.
dog.
So
How'd it do?
The back of the seats have mud on them.
What? Did you do it with the top down?
Yeah.
Yo, you're fucking trolling.
Yeah.
Dude, why are you recording this shit? Yeah.
YouTube, man.
Vert boys. Huh? Vert boys. You guys already drop a pin. We don't know where we're going. Or give us...
Oh, all these speed bumps in my way.
With the people?
Yeah, there's speed bumps. You got the kid there. No.
Fucking top down. It's going straight into the fucking air.
Because why the fuck not?
Wait, can I smoke a cigarette if it's a vert? Can I smoke a cigarette
Oh
since
shit,
it's a
you got a
vert?
cigarette for me, BB?
Yeah, bro, 100%.
Oh,
My
shit.
fucking man.
Reds?
Get me out of here. Wait, look at the car hop.
Did you actually get that car that made a left turn in front of you? What?
Yeah, that was.
That would have been a great time.
Welcome to Philadelphia.
Yep.
It's whatever, man.
Yeah.
People don't give a shit. Insurance is a beautiful thing.
It's all about themselves.
Yeah, exactly.
Instant gratification.
Exactly. I don't understand it.
Transportation is instant gratification.
Exactly.
Instant gratification.
Exactly. Exactly.
Instant gratification.
Exactly. What? Yes. Jesus Christ, this poor car.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes,
Yeah.
he has a YouTube channel.
Oh my god, do you vlog? You're so cool. How much money do you make? Do you have a Lamborghini yet?
No, I have a Corvette and a diesel Mercedes. I'm working on getting a truck and a street bike right now.
Oh yeah, now I can't post the video because of copyright.
Anyone not see what's wrong here? Oh my god! Perfect, you can smoke inside and get away with it.
Yeah, bro. Even in a rental.
Dude, this is great.
We get the center down speaker and the left rear door speaker.
Pick them up first. Why are those girls ugly?
Yo, yo, what? Who's transgender or whatever. BMW representative calling Kevin. I was like, ah, fuck. A Mongolite or whatever.
Drive!
That happens. My trunk gets dumb hot with the straight pipes. Fucking is out of control. That's like, we cut the floor of my trunk, and we
For the subframe?
yeah, we like put a top bar and plates in under it, so the top bar basically like ties to the subframe and the trunk and the mounting points.
Oh shit. I don't know, someone walking.
I'll be like,
Chris, shut the fuck up!
oh shit.
What are you doing now? He's like, I hope the light turns green. Yes. Yo, hold on.
Honk at him. It's fast, isn't it?
It's quick.
Are you wet yet?
Gunshot. I did it in front of a cop and they chased me and I got pulled over.
Yo, the fucking girl on the bike was like, her face was just like in awe, like at what just happened.
Great.
Oh, glad I got that.
Oh my god.
Run it off the dig. Want to run it from a dig?
It's a stock 335.
Damn it.
You're like 2 inches lower. I know this shit. Come on.
We got 3 people
Yeah,
in it,
there's
man.
3 heads and you're in a dead body in the
We
truck.
got like 600 pounds extra.
100 more pushes at the wheel.
This one makes like 320 at the wheels.
If you like unplug like 2 of the like spark.
What's the actual?
I don't know.
Never got timer?
No.
Look at the rear tire. It certainly is.
Thank you.
Yo, Chris, take a portrait. Take a picture, bro. This is a photo op.
Oh my god, that's wide open too.
Oh, it smells too.
It needs to... Oh my god.
I've never seen. That's a good move.
That's what they were talking about doing earlier.
Hold on, I need a picture of this.
What a fake.
You see this?
Oh, bro, let me hit your vape.
It literally made a sound as it fell.
What's wrong?
He's pulling off so you guys can run.
You feel my trashing cut?
Hold on to your vape, bro.
That's how much we have in common. That's how much we have in common.
Yes, sir.
You wanna go for a costume run?
Yep. How fast was that?
164. You gotta stop recording me, man. That shit's annoying.
Alright, so first video on the GoPro.
Quality change.
Yeah.
We're up in the quality.
Trying to at least. Do you want to hold it? Like,
Yeah. All right. So we got this GoPro going now. Yeah. So basically, it's an investment into the quality of the videos. So hopefully you guys can enjoy them. There's a lot more of us with like a lot different cars. It's just like our F80 buddies, but we'll have more videos. We'll have the Corvette in it, heads cam intake, and the supercharger, and we'll have I guess we'll have my M3 in it with all the stuff that's under it as well. And you guys got to tell us like what you want to see. Do you want to see more like fucking around, like kind of just like driving around talking, or do you want to see like more like street racing style videos where we go out and just basically cause like a bunch of problems?
Or modifying cars, you know, like installing parts and shit. Is that Tim's car?
No, that's not Tim's car, but yeah, we have a big VQ population like where we're at, but not that that's a good thing or anything. it's just kind of is what it is. But yeah, we can do like videos on installing stuff. We can do it on basically anything. Like you guys just got to let us know if, what you want to see. Yeah, pretty much. Just got to let us know what you want to see. We can go to car meets. There's like a lot of car meets in our area, and right now it's like kind of at the cusp of the season, so like it's gonna start getting cold here pretty soon. So we might not be as many like car videos as far as like car meets, racing and whatnot, but there'll certainly be like shit with us like messing around in the snow, like doing donuts, like drifting, like it's basically like hooning around, doing our own thing.
For sure.
Yeah, definitely. And like if any of you guys, like if any of the viewers like have any cool shit that you want to be like featured in a video, come racing, do any of that sort of stuff, you gotta like drop us a link and maybe we can make some content. Like we're always looking for more people to come out and race. And
yeah, so if you're in the Philadelphia area, feel free to, you know, send me a PM on YouTube or just leave a comment with a way that we can reach you. And we can set something up. We're trying to get an Instagram page going as well because people have asked us about that. So we're working on it. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I have to say. But yeah, just make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on the videos if you like them.
hit the little bell on I forget where it is, but
notifications.
Yeah, you definitely gotta hit the notification bell, otherwise we won't get to see all this this glorious content from us. But yeah.